is a god.
This is the 2022 release, Turtle Dove. Yeezy 3. Y'all remember when these dropped, dude? I think this was like 2015, 2016. Yeah, for sure, 2016. I think I was in high school at the time. Let me show you the box. Oh yeah, obviously this isn't my shoe. Well, not obviously, you would have probably assumed it was my shoe. But yeah, my friend Caesar, this is his pair. He actually got them on Yeezy Day 9 and wait, is this his box? Yeah, Turtle. When it said Beluga or white, y'all see that? I thought it said Beluga, like, you know, the orange ones, but these are the Turtle Doves. This is like a 350 V2 box, so I was like, oh, you're right. I had to go back YouTube some like original unboxings of these, and it had that other box that only kind of opened up, still cardboard, but pretty much just wanted to give you a quick look at these. Oh, this is different here. Well, also this is my first time seeing like V1 in person. I think I've seen like a baby pair, but does that actually count? Probably not. I don't think so. I don't want to try them on again. I kind of tried them on earlier though, but these are not comfortable at all. And I was thinking like the resale after they dropped on Yeezy Day, it's not too bad. Like I was thinking, you know, if the shoe's nice, I'm gonna get Caesar's pair and try them on, and I may pay resale for them. Maybe. I mean, I think the shoe looks nice, for sure, right? Big fan of the suede patch. I mean, Turtle Dove V1s, they're nice, but I think my favorite Yeezy, maybe the Oxford 10 V1s. Or my favorite V1 for sure, but you can also see here. Let me try to angle it right with the light. Yeah, Yeezy. And this is all suede. Yeah, the whole interior in here, I'll get some better shots of it because it's going to be super hard right now. But all this inner liner, it's all suede in here. Which, I mean, it looks nice, it feels nice, but like after wearing this twice maybe, I wonder how that suede's going to look like. I mean, I'm sure it's like the same effect of a car on the steering wheel when you're driving it in this Alcantara. Also, the outsole on these, very hard compared. Let me go get another 350. Alright, but yeah, just for comparison, I got my butters out. These are crazy dirty. Wear these a lot. You can kind of see the boost coming through like right here. I may have to retire these before these like pop or something, but anywho, yeah, the midsole on these very squishy. You can kind of see it. Hold on. Yeah, you can see my finger kind of like indenting a little bit in the midsole. And then let me show y'all this one. This is kind of like just straight hard, I don't know, like a Jordan 1 midsole or outsole maybe, which I'm sure it'll be better like long term because it won't wear as much, or if it does wear, it'll like, you know, wear super duper slow. But yeah, very hard. I mean, it still has boost all the way through, which is nice, but I wanted to show y'all this real quick. A freaking Turtle Dove in hand. Not my pair, but yeah, my friend Caesar got them on freaking Yeezy Day, man. I don't even know how he got them. Like, he told me he got them. I was like, well, I didn't even get the freaking notification or chance to enter, which was weird, but I am glad he got them though, for sure. This is all nice in here. I'll get like some close-up shots in here. Other now you can't see nothing, but I do want to show y'all the suede in there. One other quick detail I forgot. Y'all see right there, it's like an Adidas logo. Still a little suede patch, but yeah, what's this? Yeah, the left shoe got some Adidas logo right there. Just says Yeezy. Can you see it? Alright, yeah, hopefully this is a better or a decent angle. But yeah, that was my friend Caesar's pair. He got that on Yeezy Day. I was gonna do a separate video, but you know what? Just do it on this one. This is my personal pair. I was able to get these on Yeezy Day. I saw them, I was like, wait a minute. I like these a lot. Because when these dropped, dude, it was, I think 2016. But yeah, I remember these dropped 2016. It was around Thanksgiving time. So yeah, these dropped. I think the olives, the coppers, the Oreos. I don't know, but this one obviously stood out the most. All freaking red. I mean, I thought it was red, but then, you know, looking at it in hand and stuff, it's more of an infrared pink type. I don't know. I feel like maybe the 2016 pair was maybe a darker red, but You know, this is my first time having them in hand, you know, looking at them. But yeah, I got these on Yeezy Day retail. So I remember one of the first pair of 350s I got. Yeah, you could for sure tell the difference between 350s, V2s, and V1s. Hold on. I know it's not a comparison, but since I got them both in hand, it's like I went back in time, dude. Freaking turtle doves. These are awesome. They need to do a 350 V3 pretty soon. I love 350s, V2s at least. Never owned or worn one of these. Tried them on real quick. These are very nice. Let's put these back. I was gonna show you how this part actually. On the 350 V1, I'll get like another clip detailed shot because probably can't see nothing right now. But on this back part, all this, it's like kind of hard. Let me check these real quick. Hell yeah, kind of stiff. Like if I don't know if there's cardboard in here trying to like structure this or what, but yeah, not a lot of padding inside here. There's real thin fabric. It is suede right there, so or same thing, suede Alcantara, but I don't know, the suede inside on the liner here feels like a little more thinner compared to this. But yeah, these are 350 V2 inside. Way more cushioning. I'm just saying that to say, I thought about going back and buying these for resale. Because it is like, I don't know, 300-400, which is still a lot. But you know, prior to that, it was like 1200, I think so. Yeah, for sure 1200 was out the picture, but these may drop. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to sell them, so they may even drop lower. And I kind of was thinking like, should I buy them? After seeing them in hand, they are very nice. I think it's just the color that I like. And like knowing it's a V1. But actually it's not that comfy at all. I'm probably going to pass on this, save my money. Let me know what y'all got on Yeezy Day though, if y'all even try to buy anything. But if y'all could, because for I think a lot of people the servers are messing up. For me at least it was. Oh, these are made in Vietnam. Another thing to note, these core reds, ones with the red stripe, made in Vietnam. These I think it said made in China. I know it doesn't really matter because like you're gonna wear this shoe either way, but kind of just want to know. Yeah, turtle doves made in China. Alright, yeah, but last shoe we got on Yeezy Day was this 450 Utility Black. At first I was like, do I really need this shoe? Because got this one a while back. I don't wear this one too often. Not because I don't like 450s, it's just, what do I wear with this shoe, dude? It's all gray. And like, it looks cool if I wear, obviously you're not gonna wear white socks with it, cause like, I don't know, just imagine gray with the whites. Nah, it's not a good look. So then you would think black socks, cause if it's not white socks, you wear black socks, right? But it's weird because this is gray and then black socks are black, so it just doesn't match up right. And then I saw these Utility Black. I was like, that's exactly what I need, because this is just this tad too. It's kind of gray, but like it's a weird color on this one. I was thinking I'll enter for these and then I'll sell this and bam, because these shoes are very similar, except you can't sell these for much. Like if I do sell them, I'll lose a lot of money. And like I've barely worn this shoe at all. Yeah, I've barely worn this shoe at all. Probably like 2 times. So I may just like use this. I know it sucks, but like maybe for a gym shoe, cause I'm not gonna like sell it and lose money. That's dumb. I gotta get some type of wear out of it. After seeing these in hand, dude, I like them a lot. I'm gonna keep them. I know the plan was to sell them and blah blah. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them for sure. And a 450, I don't see too many people wearing them. I mean, the shoe does look weird. It looks kind of bulky, but once you put it on, very slim. The only thing I'd say maybe, I mean, I got pretty skinny feet. I think they're not like, you know, wide body Hellcat or nothing. But if you got fat feet or maybe even normal feet, I'd say go like a half size up in these. I like my shoes just to fit perfect, especially these. If these were any bigger, it felt like, I don't know, just too, this part, because I have worn these like twice to the gym, and like when you do push-ups, this part, it kind of just, I don't know, feels a little weird. Yeah, maybe if you got fat feet, go up like half size, maybe a full size. you kind of want it to be like perfect so you can get like the, I don't know, I feel like you get your money's worth once the shoe's perfect. And you kind of, oh, these are made in Germany, I forgot. If not, I'll get like another B-roll shot. But yeah, made in Germany. Doesn't matter, like I said, the shoe's gonna get worn regardless. But yeah, just another thing I wanted to show y'all. I think I've worn these already, actually. Probably. Have I worn these? I think I went to Target or something in these once. But yeah, just a quick side by side. Because once you get them, they look black. But then they look kind of gray. But then you put them next to these, the actual gray ones. These are called Cinder, by the way. These are Cinders, these are utility black. But yeah, just a quick video. I wanted to show you what I picked up on Yeezy Day. Well, this is my friend Caesar right there, but this is probably one of the better shoes that dropped on Yeezy Day. Kinda, I'm not mad I didn't get it, because like if I would have got this in hand, now I would have been happy regardless. But I wish this midsole was a little softer. I wish back here had a little more padding. But hey, that's what the V2s are for, right? But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. All that good stuff. So